Yo, blessed love, man. Yeah, man, this is the Oregano. I'm here to give a vital piece of information. You see this? If you're lost at sea and out there for 50 days and have no food and just the biting of oregano can assist your body with enough minerals and nutrients, also immunity to make all of your body functions them antiviral, anti-functional, anti-infectious, meaning any form of infection we have, it can clear you up. But me not only want to talk about that, I want to talk about is spices them. You know what? We don't understand about spices. That's why I always say that I recommend everybody to do a therapeutic garden. You see, any herbs and spice you carry scent, because this is high in scent, they are receptors. What they do, then give information to hormones. So what they do, then give out instruction to hormones, and the hormones are receptors we pass information for your big organ them function. So say like you have a kidney problem or a liver problem, sometimes it's not even your kidney or liver not functioning, but it's because message is not being sent to it by the receptors where the hormone would have send out message. These regulate different hormones in our body. We are talking about like time, in normal time, French time or oregano. We are talking about scallion. We are talking about rosemary. All our herbs and spices, they deal with small hormones where you can't see with your physical eye, but guess what? They will make your big hormone them, your big organ them shut down. So these little things, you hear your grandmother say, simple trash, blind eye. Sometimes, brother, and then tea with grandmother and good foreparents did a drink. I would say that if you're stuck on a planet I have no doctor, see Herbia we can take you out of distress, diseases and pain. My friend, this video you don't know me can't do everything all at once, What your man, knowledgeable true virgin upon the motivational train, man. I say yo big up on the rat itself. Yeah!